Welcome back, and thank you again for choosing Sleep Solutions as your CPAP and BiPAP provider. My name is Amy, and I'm a respiratory therapist here with Sleep Solutions. In this video today, we are going to go over the care and cleaning of your device and supplies. First off, I would love for you to grab a bucket of warm water and some mild soap that is free of lotions, chemicals, and fragrance. You will add some soap to your water and set it aside. Then we are going to go through and clean your device. We are going to start with your mask and your water chamber. I'm going to have you open up your device and pull out your water chamber, and you're going to submerge that in your water. And you're going to take your cushion from your device, from your mask, and also submerge that. These two items you are going to want to wash daily. Next, we are going to open up your filter, take out your filter, and this is going to get checked periodically. Your hard filter here is your non-disposable filter, and this gets washed every 3 to 5 days. And you really want to make sure you check on these during spring and fall because of pollen. So when you wash this, you're going to take that mild soap and water, scrub it and rinse it, pat it dry, and then let it sit out to dry until it is completely done. Once it is dry, you will take and hook it back onto your disposable filter. This disposable filter you will throw away once a month. This does not get washed. You want to make sure you don't wash it. We do have a packet that came with your device that has 2 more filters in it. These hook back together by lining up the grooves with the edges, and it slides right back into your CPAP. Next, we are going to take your tubing, which you're going to wash weekly. And this is going to also get submerged into that water. Now, each item that is submerged, you want that to sit in there for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Once that time is up, you take it out, rinse it off, and set it out to dry. Your tubing, though, I do want you to take and hang that from either your shower head or a door handle so that it can drip dry, because you do not want to hook it back up to your device with it still wet. That is the care and cleaning of your equipment. Your device you are going to want to wipe down periodically with warm soapy water. But I also want to make you aware that there are items out there that are available for easy, convenient cleaning. We have CPAP wipes that you can use daily on your cushion to wipe that down every morning. Right when you get up, just wipe down your cushion. We also have these sanitizing devices available. Any one of these can be purchased either by calling us at 877-SLEEP-MI, or you can go onto our website at sleepsolutions.com. That is it for our cleaning video. Again, thank you for choosing Sleep Solutions. And also know that you can always contact us if you have any questions. That number is 877-SLEEP-MI.